Hello everybody, this is Sonya. Now I'm in Australia and I'm back on here today because I have another parcel, and this is from Susan Hancock, and she lives in United States, America. Okay, so just be careful. I've got this really good tough bag here that she's put this in, so I'm going to try not to cut anything but the bag. I'm going to try just to cut the bag. Okay, I need to make a space to put the scissors in there to cut this because I don't want to tear it. Okay, just as well I stop there, you know, because I'm just ready to get to. I might just do this, pull it open like that, because this is a really good tough bag, isn't it? Cool, that bag. That is so awesome. Look at that. That's beautiful. Thank you so much. Oh wow, look at the parcel. Oh, look at the parcel. Look at birds on there. Oh, I do love that. Oh, look at that. Isn't it nice? Oh, dear. Wow. Oh, look at the goodies. look at the pretty birdies. The pretty birds. Oh, I'm going to keep this. I don't have anywhere that I can go and buy things like. Isn't it neat? Thank you so much. I'll be using this. I will be reusing this. Thank you so much. I do love that. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Beautiful. Thank you so much. Oh, dear. Susan, I really appreciate that. I've got so many people by the name of Susan sending me parcels. There's so many of you. Congratulations on 5 years as a YouTuber. In this package you will find a piece of pinched taffeta, a piece of leather from a mule deer. My husband is a hunter. Oh, and a piece of superhero fabric that I thought might be useful if you wanted to make a little something for one of the youngsters in your life. Here's to another 5 years. Thank you, Susan. That is so kind of you. Her YouTube is Three Sisters Sundries. Is what her YouTube channel is. I will put that in the thing where I in the description there where I write that, so people can go and have a look at her channel, because I don't think I've been under her channel. Look at this here. I've got a real piece of leather. Look at that. She sent me a real piece of leather. Oh my God, that feels so soft, doesn't it? Wow. Oh dear, look at that. Oh dear, isn't that nice? Thank you very much. That's very kind of you. So that came from a piece of leather from a mule deer. She said her husband must have found this deer and this is his coat. Thank you very much. Isn't that nice? It is such a beautiful piece of thing. Thank you so much for that. I do love that. Thank you so much. It's lovely. Thank your husband for me, please. Wow. I think I probably do have somebody that would really like this, but so do I. Isn't this cool? I mean, I know I'm an older lady, but still, this is a nice piece of fabric, and that's the thing, you know. Isn't that nice? Wow, that is really, really neat. Yeah, thank you so much. I really appreciate that. And now this piece here. Oh, yeah, look at that. Look at this, how it's... Oh, look at this. Isn't this just a piece of taffeta? What did you say to me about this piece? Let me see, sorry. Piece of pinch please, taffeta, yes. It is lovely, isn't it? Nice. Look how they did this. Make it... Oh, so jazzy. Thank you so much, Susan. That's very kind of you. I really, really like that. And I have this really nice piece of fabric here, and this really special piece here. This is a really special piece. I don't know what I could make. I do have things be absolutely awesome on a book. Wouldn't that be so nice on a book cover? Oh yeah. And this is lovely too. This is so nice. Oh, thank you so much. I really appreciate that, Susan. That's so lovely of you to send me that beautiful parcel of them. And thank you everybody for watching and subscribing, and all your people out there are very lovely to me. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.